Welcome to the Avery. I'm Derek Lassio, Director of Sales. Today we're going to take a tour of our amenities. The Avery is a full-service building featuring over 30,000 square feet of amenities across 3 different floors. Follow me as we tour level 7. Our indoor swimming pool is 60 feet long, designed for exercise and recreational swimming year-round. Additional features include our lounge chairs and mosaic tiled ceiling. Just adjacent to the pool, we have locker room and changing facilities with personal steam showers. Our business lounge is designed to meet all of your work from home needs. This lounge features a variety of workstations with power outlets, complimentary coffee, Wi-Fi, and private conference rooms. Level 32 features our demonstration kitchen, movie lounge, and game room. Follow me to the demonstration kitchen. This room is designed for entertaining. Whether you want to come down here and cook for yourself or bring in a personal chef, our kitchen features cooktop with grill and double oven. Additional features of this room include the chef's table and dining table. The movie lounge features a 150-inch screen, blackout shades, and wet bar. Residents can reserve this space to watch their favorite movie or the big game. Welcome to the Sky Lounge on level 33. Designed by Cloda, this is the ideal lounge to enjoy your morning cup of coffee or your evening cocktail. Our level 33 fitness center offers an intimate experience for our condo owners. From Peloton bikes, Pilates reformer, to our cardio machines offering downtown views. The fitness center is complete with eucalyptus towels and complimentary water. For your post-workout routine, make sure to reserve our treatment room. The private dining room is the perfect place to entertain. From large dining table that can accommodate 16 to 18 guests, to adjacent catering kitchen, and our full-service bar. While you're entertaining, make sure to step out on the observation deck to take in panoramic bay views. Thank you for joining me on a tour of the Avery. For more information on our condos, please visit our website or call the sales gallery to schedule your private tour.